In January 2021, I decided to come to the United States from China to continue my spring semester and spend 14 days quarantine in Chicago City. During my quarantine time, I asked a friend to help me buy food at Trader Joe that near my quarantine residence, and over time, my room became filled with many bags from Trader Joe. I began to observe the bags and found the history and stories behind Trader Joe, and I did research on internet and found out Trader Joe mainly produces and sells their own food and products. They add a concept of freshness and deliciousness to the design of the bag. But that's not enough. I want to repair this bag by dismantling and reconstructing it and recreate the story that Trader Joe want to deliver to us. The first thing I did is to deconstruct the bags and cutting out all the image that's showing on it and make sure no one was missed. And I use X-Acto knife to cut out the details of the image and use glue stick to glue the image on the Bristol paper, which will give a string. In order to make a stage, I cut out a lot of larger pieces of cardboard and stick them on the side wall of inside of the bag. For the final touch, I assemble all the pieces together on the stage and make sure the pieces speaks to each other, and then recreate the story that Trader Joe wants to tell everyone. And here comes to the final work.